Good morning, my dear students. So today I want to revise our chapter 1, that is real numbers. So in real numbers we have 4 topics, that is Euclid's division lemma, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, revisiting irrational numbers, then revisiting rational numbers and their decimal expansion. So let us again do some revisions of these topics. So Euclid's division lemma. So all of you know what is Euclid's division lemma. It is given with an equation of a equals to bq plus r, is not it? Where you can see a and b are the positive integers and there exist unique integers q and r, and you must always remember this equation as well as the condition, okay, that the remainder value must always be greater than equal to 0 but less than the divisor, is not it? So based on this topic you have one sums. So using Euclid's division algorithm, you are asked to find the HCF of 4052 and 12576. So using Euclid's division lemma, we will be asked to find the HCF of these two numbers. So already if you know that the greater number will be considered as the dividend and this 4052 will be considered as the divisor. Okay. So on the side when you divide, we will write here 12576, and when we divide this by this, we get a remainder 420. Okay. After that, again this number will be considered as dividend, and we have to divide the number by 420, and 420 into 9 will give us the remainder 272. Okay. Again 420 now will be divided by 272. With our remainder we will get 148. Okay. Then 272 you have to divide by 148, you will have remainder 124. Again 148 will be divided by the remainder as it will be considered as divisor, and you will have remainder 24. Again 124 will be divided by 24, you will have your remainder to be 4. So 24, now you will divide it by 4, so you will have the remainder as 0. So you have to go on proceeding this step until you get the remainder to be what? 0. And after we complete the remainder to be 0, what we can conclude that your divisor, the last divisor, will be considered as the HCF of the given two number. So the HCF will be 4. Okay. This is using the concept of Euclid's division lemma. Okay. Next topic is your fundamental theorem of arithmetic, where every composite number can be expressed as the product of prime, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So you have to express as your prime factors. Okay. For example, if I want to represent this number under the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, so you have to write, first start with 2, it will be 16380. Okay. Then again you have to divide it by the prime number, it will come 8190. Then again it will be divided by 2 because it's a multiple of 2, it will be 4095. Next prime number will be 3, that is 1365. Again you have to divide by 3, it will be coming as 455. So it's like a tree. Okay, again it is divided by 5, it will be 91. Again this 91 will be divided by another prime number and will leave us the value as this. So what will be, how you will express this value now? You have to express this as the product of their prime. That is, you have to write this answer as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. So this number 32760 will be representing like this. Okay. So this will come as the fundamental theorem for arithmetic. Okay. Another sum based on this is Okay, so next let us see here. Question is based on the arithmetic theorem, that is, find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by the prime factorization method. So 6 we will express as 2 into 3, 20 will express as 2 into 2 into 5. So HCF between this and this is the common factor is 2, that you have done this type of sums in your primary classes, and LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is 60. Okay. Next is find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method, and also find their LCM. So it's using prime factorization method, so you have to express 96 as prime factors, and here you can see these are also expressed as the prime factors, and there is a formula: LCM into HCF between two numbers is always equal to the product of the two numbers. So here already, if you see here, you are asked to find the LCM. Okay, so LCM 96, 404 will be product of 96 into 404, and what is the HCF between these two number? If you see, it is coming as 4. So if you divide this, will be 101. So what is the answer? 9699.